In Texas, as in many states, court records, including divorce proceedings, are typically considered public information. This means that anyone can access these records, which may include details about property division, child custody arrangements, and other personal matters discussed during the divorce process. However, it's important to understand the nuances of this policy and the options available for protecting sensitive information. Public access to divorce records. General accessibility. Most divorce records can be accessed by visiting the county clerk's office where the divorce was filed, or in some cases through online portals. Information included. Public records typically include the divorce petition, final decree, and any orders issued by the court during the proceedings. Purpose of public records. The principle behind public records is to ensure transparency in the legal system and to provide historical and genealogical information. Protecting sensitive information. While records are generally public, there are several ways to protect sensitive information. Sealing records. In certain circumstances, you can petition the court to seal all or part of your divorce records. Reasons for sealing might include protecting children's identities, safeguarding victims of domestic violence, protecting business or trade secrets, preventing identity theft. Redaction. Certain personal identifiers like social security numbers, bank account numbers, and children's names are typically redacted from public records. Use of initials. In some cases, particularly those involving children, the court may allow the use of initials instead of full names in documents. Confidential information sheet. Many courts use a separate confidential information sheet for sensitive data, which is not part of the public record. Process for sealing records. File a motion. To seal records, you must file a motion with the court explaining why sealing is necessary. Burden of proof. The party requesting to seal records must demonstrate a specific, serious, and substantial interest that outweighs the presumption of openness. Judge's decision. A judge will review the request and decide whether to seal the records, considering factors like public interest and the need for privacy. Partial sealing. Courts may opt to seal only portions of the record rather than the entire file. Implications of public records. Privacy concerns. The public nature of divorce records can be concerning for those who value their privacy, especially in high-profile cases. Future impact. Public divorce records can potentially affect future employment, relationships, or other personal matters. Children's privacy. Parents should be particularly mindful of how public records might impact their children's privacy and future. Strategies for maintaining privacy. Mediation or collaborative divorce. Resolving issues outside of court can help keep details private, as only the final agreement typically becomes part of the public record. Settlement agreements. Incorporating sensitive details into a separate settlement agreement rather than the divorce decree can help maintain privacy. Careful documentation. Be mindful of what information you include in court filings, avoiding unnecessary personal details when possible. Consult an attorney. An experienced family law attorney can advise on the best strategies for protecting your privacy while complying with legal requirements. Understanding the public nature of divorce records in Texas is crucial for anyone going through a divorce. While the system is designed for transparency, there are methods available to protect sensitive information when necessary. Balancing the need for privacy with legal requirements often requires careful planning and, in many cases, the guidance of a knowledgeable attorney. By being proactive about privacy concerns, individuals can navigate the divorce process while minimizing unwanted exposure of personal information. If you are in the Arlington, Texas area and would like professional advice, contact Attorney Violet Nwokoye at 817-962-0773